Where are we at? Alexander Springs. Alexander.
Y'all, they have monkeys around here too.
Monkeys?
Yeah.
Like Macaulay monkeys, too?
Caroline monkeys.
Exactly. Come on now, you know that.
That's silent, honey.
And it's really true.
There he is. There he is.
I see him in there.
Oh yeah, there he is. Oh, you can't.
That's a small one.
Yeah.
Well, there's somebody. You just can't see him. He's all in the water.
I missed him on my video camera.
Swim back around.
You got yourself on there?
No,
Want me to shoot you?
no, I'm sorry. I'll shoot myself in the foot.